In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the QR code feature in Wise. It's a quick way to send or receive money without typing any account details. Let's get started. First, go to the Wise application and sign into your account using your email and password. Next, head over to the card section located at the bottom tab of your screen. Then you'll see two options, Scan QR code and Import QR code. For this video, we'll choose Scan QR code. Now simply scan the QR code shown on the sender's or receiver's screen using your device's camera. Bonus tip: you can also generate your own Wise QR code when requesting payments. Just go to the Receive section, tap Request, and share your unique code. And that's how you use the QR code on Wise. If this video helped, be sure to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tips and tutorials. See you next time!